Mesa County Clerk Tina Peters is getting off with a stern warning after traveling out of state without a judge's permission.
Peters was prohibited from traveling out of state after being indicted on charges in March in relation with tampering with election equipment. A judge rescinded a warrant for her arrest but restricted any future travel.
And now Peters and Ron Hanks have their focus set on a recount of last month's primary. Denver 7's Megan Lopez takes a look at these candidates' requests and what it takes to trigger a recount.
These are the letters that candidates Tina Peters and Ron Hanks sent to the Secretary of State's office this week requesting a recount. The two letters use much of the same language and talking points. Both, for instance, say they have reason to believe that there was extensive malfeasance that occurred in the primary. Both said that they won at the statewide assembly. Peters said that she won a straw poll, and Hanks said he did direct polling of 68,000 voters after the election and claims he was up by 8%. Here's the thing, though. Both candidates lost by wide margins. These are the election results, and you can see that Hanks lost by more than 56,000 votes, earning 45% of the electorate, while Joe O'Dea won 54%. In Tina Peters' case, she lost to Pam Anderson by more than 88,000 votes. The election map is pretty stark. Peters only won 7 counties. Her home county, Mesa, was not one of them. That one went to Pam Anderson. Now, when elections are close, an automated recount is triggered in Colorado. It can also be requested, though, within 28 days of an election. However, given those wide margins, it's incumbent on the people requesting the recount to pay for it. The Secretary of State's office sent this email back to both Peters and Hanks, saying it's going to cost them each $236,279 for that recount. I took a closer look at their latest campaign finance reports and found neither candidate has anywhere near that amount. Peters has about $33,000 cash on hand as of the June 27th filing deadline. Her total campaign contributions for the entire election, $216,000. Hanks, meanwhile, has $20,000 cash on hand as of June 8th. His campaign only raised $125,000, including $35,000 in loans from Hanks. The money for the recount was due today. If that recount determines that the requesting candidate won, though, or if it was close enough to have triggered an automatic recount, they can get a refund. Peters, you may remember, is also facing felony charges. Her bond was revoked this week and an arrest warrant was issued when she left town without a judge's permission. In a hearing this afternoon, the judge decided to throw out her arrest warrant, but did change her bond so that she can't travel out of state without going through a motion process since she's no longer a candidate. He said she is a flight risk and she does have access to both money and a private plane. Megan Lopez, Denver 7.